There is no obvious distinction between microevolution and macroevolution in fish. The variation that can occur within a specific group of related fish, such as sharks, catfish, etc., can be as significant as the macroevolution which separates a group of fish from one which is distantly related. Anatomical and genetic studies indicate that modern sharks form a nested hierarchy of related lineages descended from a common ancestor. An enormous degree of variation occurs within sharks, even within groups of closely related sharks. Body length can vary from under 20 centimeters to 13 meters, with extinct forms being even longer. Different species of shark have adapted to coastal waters, open ocean, shallow water, depths of more than 11,000 feet, freshwater, saltwater, tropical water, and polar regions. Significant variations are known in body shape, fin shape, the arrangement of skeletal elements of fins, the presence or absence of dorsal fins, the flattening of the body, tooth number with an apparent absence of teeth in the earliest sharks, tooth shape with 1 to 8 cusps, vertebral number, solidification of separate vertebral components, the prominence of the notochord, the presence of spines, the number of gills, and jaw structure. Some sharks are heterodont with different types of teeth and a supplemental jaw articulation. Others possess long protrusions from their snout, and some fossil species possess odd dorsal spines which possess true bony tissue. While many sharks have brain size to body size ratios which are similar to those of bony fish, others possess ratios similar to those observed in birds and even mammals. Encephalization quotients in the ratio of forebrain size to the rest of the body can vary by a factor of 9 to 10. The variability observed in rays is even greater. Significant differences in the modes of reproduction occur in shark lineages. Some sharks lay eggs, some retain eggs inside the body of the female, some give birth to live young and can even develop placental tissue. Live birth has developed independently in separate lineages of sharks, and many members of the same genus can even vary whether they lay eggs or give live birth. An enormous degree of variation can occur within catfish, which can vary from small fish measuring 16 millimeters to forms which can reach 5 meters and weigh over 300 kilograms. They vary in their diet, the presence of armor, lifestyle, including parasitic forms, whether they can breathe air through a diversity of anatomical structures, modification of fins to walk on land or incubate eggs, whether they have remodeled the skull roof, the loss of eyes, amplification of taste buds over the body surface, significant muscular modifications, changes in brain structure, chromosome number, and significant variations of the skeletal system. The family Syngnathidae represents a clade related by a common descent as indicated by genetic and anatomical evidence. The variations within this group includes elongated pipefish, uniquely shaped seahorses, and species which produce a prehensile tail, a brood pouch, and significant variations in fin structure. Variations of ancestral anatomical structures have given at least 6 lineages of fish the ability to generate electric pulses which they have evolved independently. For example, non-contractile muscles have been modified into electric organs in mormyrids, for example, which depend on modified duplicates of ancestral genes, such as those for sodium channels. Significant variations are known within fossil groups of fish as well. Fossil jawless fish varied in the presence or absence of bone, the presence or absence of fins, the presence of a stomach, and the possession of a heavy head shield. Placoderms varied in size, from a few centimeters to more than 10 meters, the presence of a heavy head shield, the presence of teeth, the elongation of the snout, the presence of lung-like structures, and the presence of jointed pectoral fins which might have allowed locomotion on land. Acanthodians differed significantly in their body shape and fin spines. Some fossil bony fish could reach lengths of more than 30 meters. At least 2 groups of sarcopterygian fish modified their fins to include wrist bones, wrist joints, and digits. At least one sarcopterygian evolved a neck, a feature once thought to occur only in tetrapods.